Changing the cutter actually begins at the back of the machine. We have to first lock the spindle, and this is the spindle lock right here. Alright, so to lock the spindle, it won't move right now, it has a pin. So to lock the spindle, you pull it out, rotate it 180 degrees, and it'll pop in. See how it shoots in? And then I can no longer move the pulley. So the spindle at that point is locked. With the spindle locked, it won't rotate anymore. So I'll grab a wrench, loosen it, and then take off the spacers, remove the cutter, and then put the new one back on. So in this case I'll just pop it back on here. Note though that we have the cutter really low on the spindle. The lower it spins on it, the more stable it will be. These spacers that we're looking at here are kept in the shaper cabinet in one of the drawers on the right side. So put it back on there and then lock it down. And then what I'm going to do is go around and release the spindle. So here we can have it turning. Now this is that spindle control that I took out of the machine. Okay, so you can pull it out and then it rotates 180 degrees, and then this pin shoots out and locks into the spindle, and then it won't rotate. When you release it, it is important to pull it out, rotate it around until it won't move anymore, until it clicks in place. What is horrible is if you just pull it out a little bit, and then as the machine runs it vibrates, and all of a sudden it vibrates to where it engages. That would be a horrible thing to have happen.